Hi, I'm Siddhartha Siri, and today we'll be sharing a few tips and tricks for this exam. Firstly, go through the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly. Be in touch with the current affairs. This will help you in the general awareness section. Make sure the political and historical scenario of India is on your fingertips. One should study regularly and revise the concepts on a regular basis. Make notes for revision while studying different topics. Positive attitude and confidence is very important when preparing for any exam. Keep yourself motivated. Know your strengths and weaknesses and work on them constantly. Solve previous year papers. They will give you a brief idea about the exam pattern, type of questions, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. The link of the app is given in the description below. So, if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel.